Last night this channel named a tell the shape of the next bounce. Overnight the market answered, here is the grade. 3 legs up, the third weaker than the first. 1 close over the first graduation. The half never touched, not even by a wick. And the line under it all held every single close. The weekly frame comes first. The first wave of the larger third ran from 476 up to 3094, and its floor has now held 3 separate tests. While that floor holds, the weekly third targets equality at 3318. Everything this month is the second wave of the advance off 7 flat. Down to the hourly, the advance is 5 clean waves, 7.01 to 8.916. Wave 3 the longest, wave 4 held above, wave 1's top by 9 cents. Every rule passed, so the impulse is complete. The correction parked at 8.192, 4/10 of a cent above the first graduation of the rise. Wave 1's top sits 1.6 cents lower, never touched. A second wave measured onto the grid. You know the line. 8.267 broke on one close and was reclaimed by the next. Since that reclaim, 18 hourly closes and all 18 above it. At 4 this morning, the market walked back down and stopped at 8.292, 2.5 cents above the line without touching it. Floor, broken, reclaimed, floor again. Now the anatomy of the bounce, because the tell lives here. First push off the low, nearly 23 cents into the afternoon. A shallow dip at evening, second push into midnight, 15 cents, to the high at 8.512. Measure them against each other. The second push ran 2/3 of the first, a shrinking sequence. Third waves do not announce themselves by shrinking. Until that changes, this shape reads as a 3. It did clear one graduation. 38.2% of the fall sits at 8.469, taken on exactly one close. The half of the fall is the one that matters, 8.554, never touched. The bounce stopped 4 cents short of even asking the question. Call it the conversion line. Then the giveback. From the midnight high, the market returned 22 cents in 4 hours, 69% of the bounce, through the leg's golden graduation, stopping 10 cents exactly above the bounce's origin. Rule 1 at the micro degree, intact. So both labels are still legal this morning. A corrective 3 inside a continuing second wave, or a first wave with its deep second behind it. The chart has not voted. What votes is a close. Above 8.554, the label flips from a 3 to a 1, 2, 3, and every graduation above turns from ceiling into target. Scenario 1, conversion. Closes over the half open the next graduation at 8.639, then the wall at 8.757, and beyond it the high at 8.916. Scenario 2, rejection. The bounce fails here and trades back under the two-sided line. Then the correction resumes toward the floor that already worked, 8.188, with wave 1's top just beneath. If that floor gives way, the grid reads deeper, the half of the whole rise at 7.963. Only a trade under 7.01 retires the advance itself. This morning, price sits between its averages, above the 20-hour, 5 cents, under the 50-hour momentum, in the middle of its range. Every gauge says the same thing, undecided. For now, the half decides the label and the two-sided line guards the floor. Educational analysis, not advice. More when either of them answers.